Michelle. I teach first grade. I'm getting ready for my students to come for the day, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about what we do. Make our text-to-self connection of something that we like to do in the rain. You saw our little boy here, he was cleaning his boots, he was splashing around in the rain, and that's what he was choosing to do.
Make the pictures that is right. We're using these cards and see which one matches. Like, the mouse goes on free, and then this goes on bed.
Okay, so you just saw my reading lesson. For reading, we work in centers. The centers are based on their DRA level.